Contrast is based on stark differences. Polarity is when they go polar opposite ends of the stick, of the spectrum. Duality has to do with rigid distinctions between two phenomena, right? But contrast is just stark difference. So when two things have just seem different,
It's quite conspicuous that there's some sort of biological evolution occurring with the X-Men, and no two gifts are identical, but it's clearly the X-Men.
in the context, whether it's a noun or a verb or adjective or adverb or pronoun, it's a whole different grammatical subject. So paradoxes is based on contradictory polarity, coexisting polarity or coexisting contrast, a contradictory, like the wave medium, the wave particle duality in light technically is considered a paradox, a duality,